play for all.
MakeCode Arcade's block editor is a great tool to help students create their own adaptive games. With the new version of Blockly, accessibility has improved to include keyboard navigation. The one area that remains less accessible for students who cannot use a mouse is the Sprite editor. Today, we're going to take a look at how to use two web-based tools that can help support independence in creating pixel artwork for this platform. The first tool is called Image for Arcade and is a GitHub project supported by Coder Dojo. This tool lets you upload an image and then convert it to text-based code that you can paste into the editor. Simply upload an image file on your computer and select the pixel size you need using the slider. You can also change the zoom size and color palette. In the export section, you can name your sprite variable and assign its kind. The last part lets you choose either the JavaScript or Python language. We're going to stick with JavaScript. The last step in this tool is to click the Copy Code button. To import our sprite artwork in the Arcade editor, switch to the JavaScript view since that is the language we selected. Here, paste the code you copied either using the keyboard shortcut Command V. Switch back to the block view and you should now see a new set sprite block with the image selected. Some images that have no background might load with a white background instead. To correct this, click on the image which will open in the sprite editor. Select the transparent tile and use the fill tool to switch out the white background. For some students, this step might require an assist. Also, currently the file picker area of the tool requires an assist as it is not accessible by keyboard at this time. The second tool we will take a look at is the Keyboard Sprite Editor. This tool lets a student draw their own artwork using keyboard keys and then copy the text code also. You can use the numbers 1 through 4 to jump and navigate to the different parts of the tool. The first section of the tool asks the student to select the desired canvas size. The second section is used to select the active color and can be navigated through using the arrow keys. Now it's time to draw. In section 3, the student can use the arrow keys to navigate to the desired cell. Holding down the Shift button will skip 5 cells in the arrow direction. Pressing the spacebar or Enter will fill that cell with the active color. Clicking Delete will erase the filled cell. The Clear Canvas button will erase the full drawing. Once the artwork is just right, navigate to step 4 and use the Copy button to copy the text code of the drawing. This tool works a little differently than the first in that it only gives you the image code. You will first need to create a sprite and then switch over to the JavaScript view. From here, find the line of code that has your sprite and select the text starting with IMG and ending with the second bracket. You can hold down the Shift key while using the right arrow to complete this step. Now just paste the code. Hopefully these tools might help give makers some independence to create and draw while making their own games. To test out these tools, visit the links in the description below.